On the occasion of the 77th Republic Day celebrations, a state-level tribal folk dance competition was held on Sunday. The event, organized at the Rabindra Satabarshiki Bhawan, was inaugurated by Dr. K. Sasikumar, Secretary of the Tribal Welfare Department, and other dignitaries were also present at the ceremony. Addressing the inaugural session, the Secretary of the Tribal Welfare Department highlighted that Tripura possesses a rich cultural heritage, with the tribal culture being particularly vibrant and significant. Tribal folk dance artists from various parts of the state participated in the competition.
The annual dance competition among the tribal students. Initially we had screening at the level of subdivisions and later on at the level of districts. Uske baad all the successful teams are going to compete here at the state level today. This is a state level annual dance competition conducted amongst the tribal students. So whoever is going to win in the competition today will be awarded by our Honorable CM in tomorrow's program. So here the teams from various parts of the state have already arrived. They arrived last evening only, and we have accommodated them here in Agartala, and today for the next 7-8 hours this competition will go on. So it's going to be a very colorful and fantastic evening, and all the young talent in dance is going to be showcased here on this stage. So I welcome everyone here to Rabindra Bhawan to witness this gala event. Thank you.
Reporter by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.